Hello viewers, welcome to Easy Olympiad Maths. I am posting 6th IMO paper for class 1 set B. Learn how to solve IMO question with all the tips and tricks here. For more such videos you can subscribe the channel Easy Olympiad Maths. Let's start the video. First section is logical reasoning. Question 1. There is dash more circles in the clown's cape than the face. Now, how many circles are there on the cap of the clown? Count them. And then find how many circles are there on the face of the clown. Count that also and then subtract these two numbers. Now, circles on clown's cap is 1, 2, 3, 4 and circle on face of the clown is 1. Now 4 minus 1 is 3. So answer is B, 3. Arrange the given balls from the smallest to the biggest. Now, arrange these balls PQRS from smallest to the biggest. So, smallest is S and biggest is Q. So, start with smallest ball S and end with Q. Arrange these in smallest to biggest order and write your answer in the comments. Question 3. Identify the objects which can be placed inside and outside the house respectively. So, you have to choose the objects which come inside the house and outside the house. So, from option A, B, C, D, choose the which option has the object which is inside the house and the object which is outside the house, which can be kept outside the house. Select the correct match of the shapes that can be made by drawing along these objects. Now option A is a ball and the shape is rectangle. Can we draw a rectangle from a ball? No. Option B is a mouse and the shape is circle. Can we draw a circle from a mouse? No. Option C is a box and the shape is square. Can we draw a square from a box? Yes. Now option D is a bucket and the shape is triangle. Can we draw a triangle from a bucket? No. So here the correct option is C. Which day comes just after Tuesday? Now, Tuesday comes after Monday. Now, which day comes after Tuesday? Question 6. The next figure which continues the figure pattern given below is. So you have to choose the next figure which will continue the figure pattern. Now observe the figure pattern carefully. You will see that after 4 flowers the pattern is repeating. Now see the images below. Now it will be easy to choose which option will come next. The number of curved lines in the given figure is. Now see the given figure. In this figure there are some straight lines and there are some curved lines. Now you can see in the image below what are curved lines. So these are curved lines and you have to count all of them in this figure and accordingly choose the correct answer. Identify the object which is under the table and rolling also. Now choose from option A, B, C, D which object is under the table and rolling also. Now see the figure carefully. Choose which object is under the table and rolling also. The shape triangle can be placed in which of the following groups? Now see the 4 groups carefully. Group P, Group Q, Group R, Group S. Now in which group we can place this triangle? You can see answer at the end of video. Select the figure that is same as the given figure X. Now see the figure X carefully. Now choose from option A, B, C, D which figure is same as the given figure X. I have placed option B in front of figure X. Now you tell whether it is correct or not. Write your answers in the comment with question number. Section 2, Mathematical Reasoning. Question 11. Which of the following abacus shows 79? Now I have solved one option A here. So what I have done is I have count the beads on tens place and write the number there. And I have also count the beads on ones place and write the number there. Now 6 beads are there on tens place, so I write 6 there, and 9 beads are there on ones place, so I wrote 9 there. Now the number form is 69. Now similarly you can solve option B, C and D and then tell which option shows 79. The correct match of mouse and cheese. Now solve the equation written on the mouse and then select the correct match of mouse and cheese. Which number comes in the place of P? Now our equation is given on the right side. P minus 9 equals to 13. So clearly P is the total number of apples. Now count the number of apples by writing the number inside them. And then choose your correct options from A, B, C, D. Arrange the given below rabbits from the smallest to the greatest. Now, in order to arrange the rabbits from smallest to the greatest, we have to solve the equations written on them first. So, P is 9 plus 7, which is equals to 16. Q is 10 plus 2 equals to 12. R is 11 plus 3, 14. And S is 9 minus 2, 7. Now arrange these numbers from smallest to the greatest. So smallest number will come first and greatest will come last. Now choose your answer and write your answer in the comment with question number. Choose the correct subtraction sentence for the given picture. Now, in order to choose the correct subtraction sentence from the given picture, first count the flowers from the picture. By writing numbers on the flowers, count these flowers. Now, do the subtraction, that is subtract 5 flowers from the total number of flowers. Now here you will get the answer. Now, in order to choose answer from options A, B, C, D, we have to solve them first. I have solved one option here for you. You can solve the remaining options and choose the correct answer. Now we know that 1 ones is 1 into 1 equals to 1. 2 ones is 2 into 1 equals to 2. 3 ones is 3 into 1 equals to 3. Now 1 10 is 10 into 1, 1. 2 tens is 2 into 10, 20. 3 tens, 3 into 10, 30. Now option A is 2 tens, 3 ones minus 4 ones. Now 2 tens, 3 ones is 2 tens is 20, 3 ones is 3. So 20 plus 3 is 23. So 2 tens, 3 ones is 23. 4 ones is 4 into 1, 4. Now 2 tens, 3 ones minus 4 ones is equals to 23 minus 4, which is equals to 19. Now similarly calculate the other option and choose the correct option. If each square stands for 1 unit, the weight of the clone is dash units. Now see the figure given on the right hand side carefully. Now, the left part of the weighing scale. Count how many squares are there on the left part. Now, in order to get the weight of clown, we will subtract the two squares given on the right hand side from the squares given on the left hand side. So count the squares on the left hand side and subtract 2 from it. Then we will get the weight of the clown. Dash holds the greatest number. Now Latika, Saurabh, Shobhit and Priya are holding some numbers in forms of tens and ones. Now you have to choose who holds the greatest number. Now in order to find the greatest number, we have to solve these tens and ones first. Now we know that 1 ones is 1 into 1 1, 2 ones is 2 into 1 2 and 3 ones is 3 into 1 3. And 1 10 is 10, 2 tens is 2 into 10 20, 3 tens is 3 into 10 30. Now Latika holds 2 tens, 3 ones plus 7 ones. Now 2 tens is 20 and 3 ones is 3. So 2 tens, 3 ones will be 20 plus 3, 23. And 7 ones is 7 into 1, 7. So Latika holds 2 tens, 3 ones plus 7 ones, which is equals to 23 plus 7 is equals to 30. Now similarly calculate for Saurabh, Shobhit and Priya and then find who holds the greatest number. Question 18th. What comes in between? Now see the figure given on the right side. There are 3 teddies. The first one holds 31 plus 2. Second one we don't know. And third one is 32 plus 3. Now the second one is missing. We have to find that what comes in between. So 31 plus 2 is 33. This is our first teddy. And third teddy holds 32 plus 3 35. So in between will come 34. Now you have to find which equations from ABCD will give 34. The length of penguin is equal to dash triangle. Now see the figure on right side. Now the length of penguin is given in terms of number of squares. So we see that 7 square is the length of penguin. Now 1 square is equals to 2 triangles. So length of penguin in terms of triangle will be 7 into 2, where 7 is the number of squares and 2 is the number of triangles. So 14. So length of penguin will be 7 into 2, 14 triangles. Correct option is D. Which strip is as long as pencil? Now a scale is given and a pencil is also given and a strip PQRS is given. We have to calculate the length of pencil and the length of the strips PQRS. Now we have to choose which strip is as long as pencil. So first find the length of pencil. So from 3 to 12, what will be the length of pencil? Now count the length of the strips PQRS and then find out which strip has same length as the pencil. Put 15 rabbits into groups of 3. How many groups of 3 rabbits are there? Now 15 rabbits are given and you have to form the group of 3 rabbits. Now see the image below. You can form group of 3 rabbits like this. Now count how many groups form from these 15 rabbits and choose your correct option. Check your answers here. You can see answers of all questions here. Thanks for watching. Write in the comments what type of video you want to see.